in this video, the Ethereum price action broke out from our ascending triangle exactly as predicted. And on top of that, we have another Bitcoin decision time that will affect the whole month of September. And of course, we are going to take a look at the monthly returns kasi of course nagkaroon tayo ng monthly candle close. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video first. So right now, the Bitcoin price is actually still inside this descending triangle. So it's either now we are going to break to the upside or to the downside. However, a traditional target or traditional pattern ito, it usually breaks to the downside if you're going to follow with this movement traditionally. And of course, we are actually starting to seeing this nasisira na yung trend natin na higher high kasi nagkaroon tayo ng lower high. So this is not actually looking good for the Bitcoin price kasi in order to sustain the uptrend, we need to have higher highs and not lower lows. But right now, the low is, I think it's pretty much the same pa din. So it's still 50-50 as of the moment. But take a look at this. This is very getting close na. So a breakout is very imminent anytime soon. Either it will go to the upside or to the downside. So if it goes to the upside, of course, our target is depending on the point of breakout. So if nag-breakout tayo, our target would more likely be the $51,000 or 51.5k, 51.7k, around that area. But if we break to the downside, ang technical target talaga is around 43.2k or 43.1k. However, meron tayong strong support at the 44k. So 44k is still the reasonable target dito. So in order to confirm the move, we must have a volume, either massive sell volume or massive buy volume. And then of course, kailangan ng 4-hour candle close below the support or above the resistance. Sa ngayon, wala pang breakout na nagaganap. So you have to wait for that very closely before entering into any big trades for the Bitcoin price. Now, and take a look at this guys dito sa ating monthly return chart and monthly return table. Yung ating month of August nag-close with a 13% increase. Pero look at that. The 13% increase is lower than the month of July, indicating the average PNL natin, yung average monthly return natin, is still accurate as of this moment. So, ang sabi kasi dito, mas less yung returns natin ng month of August kaysa sa July. Makikita mo din siya dito sa chart totoo. Mas less yung return ng August kaysa sa July. And ayun na, nag-play out siya exactly dito. So, ngayon, what's next for September? Of course, ito na yung magiging cautious tayo kasi according dito sa historical data, the month of September always yielded with a lesser return. So you can see, negative 2% siya. So meaning, hindi naman ibig sabihin na matatalo tayo dito. Pero ibig sabihin lang yan, mas less ang return for the month of September. So ayan o, makita mo dito na of all months sa buong year, September yung either pinakamababang move or pinakang konti lang makukuha nating profit for the month of September. So yun yung kailangan nyo watch out ngayon kasi of course, if nag-play out itong movement na to kay Bitcoin price, then of course, possible na mag-play out itong red month for the month of September. At ito ata yung sinasabi ng karamihan na meron pa tayong ghost month for crypto, then it would more likely be the September month kasi looking at historical data, September is the month wherein dun tayo nakuha ng lowest returns for the year. Now, meron pa tayong iba pang data na nag-support na possible na mag-red month tayo sa month of September. Actually, meron. Let's look at this closely sa ating daily time frame kasi sa daily time frame meron tayo actually isa dong example na nagsasabi na possible na mag-decline tayo for the month of September. And it's actually sa RSI. So, sa RSI, we are still playing out with this bearish divergence na makita mo dito sa daily time frame. So, we are still at this level pa din. So, possible na mag-decline tayo dito for the Bitcoin price pa din further. But still, right now, we are still playing this exactly as predicted. So, right now, I think okay din yung magkaroon ng pullback kasi it's a healthy pullback kahit papano. If nagpa-pullback tayo, of course, marireset natin yung indicators. Then, pag nareset natin yan, then makakuha tayo ng momentum to pump to the upside. So, somehow, that is pretty good and not bad naman. So, kung matatakot kayo na bumagsak to, huwag kayo matakot dito kung ako sa inyo kasi this is an opportunity to re-enter some big trades for the Bitcoin price and as well as for the whole crypto market. So yeah, that's for Bitcoin. Let's now dive into other coins such as Ethereum kasi right now for Ethereum, we have broken out of our symmetric triangle exactly as predicted. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, abangan nyo na si Ethereum kasi we have been consolidating pretty much sideways for Ethereum And look at that. Itong sideways movement nag-actually lead to a breakout for the Ethereum price action. So right now, ang technical target talaga nito is around the 3.7k. Though meron tayong strong resistance na go-form at the 3586 or 3589 US dollars. So siguro watch out lang for that level. Possible na dun tayo mag-resist. Pero yeah, look at this. Meron tayong buy volume. So as of now, ang technical target talaga natin dito is the 3.7k. So monitor this closely. Pero if let's say nag-breakdown si Bitcoin, bumaba si Bitcoin dito bigla sa ating daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, then of course, mahatak itong Ethereum price action pababa. So right now, you should watch out closely for the Bitcoin price as well as this Ethereum price action kasi of course, pag nag-decline si Bitcoin, matitigil yung pump natin for the price action ni Ethereum. Looking at other coins, pretty much consolidating tayo sa mga ibang coins. Wala pa tayong breakout for Cardano kasi we are still consolidating. So right now, maganda to tingnan bago kayo mag-enter ng trade for Cardano. Same goes with XRP. Kay XRP naman, we are still relatively moving sideways for XRP. However, this is a good opportunity kasi remember, when a coin is consolidating, dun tayo more likely magpo-pump for a specific coin. Same goes with VeChain. We are still consolidating. So pretty much, itong tatlong coin, Cardano, XRP, and VeChain are all consolidating. So meron tayong good opportunities ngayon dito for Cardano, XRP, and VeChain. So abangan nyo lang sila closely. Kasi if of course nag-breakout siya, then tutulad siya ng parang pump ni Cardano na nag-break na tayo to the upside. Now, speaking of this movement, if let's say nag-decline dito si Bitcoin, then ano ba mangyayari sa mga NFT tokens natin? Well, of course, mahatak yung mga NFT tokens pababa. So, kung yari, meron kang SLP, possible na baka mag-decline pa lalo dito si SLP kasi, of course, medyo delikado ngayon si Bitcoin. Pag, let's say, umabot tayo ng red month, possible na mag-decline pa further si SLP. Ngayon, kay SLP, meron tayo actually nag-form na oversold area. So, ayan no. This is a good buying opportunity. Possible na magkaroon tayo ng short-term pump dito kasi we are oversold dito sa ating 4-hour time frame. So, possible na mag-pump siya up to the 50 moving average sa 4-hour time frame. But yeah, in order to flip bullish, kailangan natin ma-break yung ating 50 moving average kasi if you're going to look at this previous data, doon tayo nakakuha ng resistance with the 50 moving average. So, right now, in order to say na mag-bullish tayo kay SLP, 50 moving average pa din. So, right now, hindi pa natin siya never-break. And look at that. Every time na nagka-touch tayo, doon tayo nag-resist. So, right now, talagang strong resistance itong 50 moving average. So, if gusto nyo mag-invest for SLP, kailangan nyo muna abangan na ma-break itong 50 moving average before entering into more SLP position. However, this is a good short-term trading opportunity. You could buy at this area and then sell ka dito sa taas. Let's say, naging oversold dito. Abangan mo umakit yung RSI. And then pag umakit yung RSI, that's a good selling area na if umakit tayo dito sa RSI niya sa 4-hour time frame. You could actually follow that too in the early time frame kasi of course sa early time frame, pwede mo din dyan malaman kung kailan maganda mag-sell. And if you're going to look at this, the best time to sell SLP is whenever andun tayo sa 70 threshold dito kay SLP. So right now, wala pa tayo sa 70 threshold. Dapat pumunta siya dito above the 70 threshold sa RSI. Kasi if you're going to look at SLP, wala pa tayo sa 70 threshold. Halfway pa lang tayo. So, possible na umakit pa siya further para magkaroon ng selling opportunity for SLP. So, yun yung kailangan nyo watch out ngayon for SLP. And of course, pag nag-decline si Bitcoin, baka lalong bumaba pa tayo dito kay SLP. So, siguro, warning lang. Kasi ang technical target talaga nitong bearish scenario nitong falling wedge is actually the 9 cents around roughly 10 cents area. So, we are actually on that way pa din for the SLP price action. So, sumusunod pa din yung technical analysis natin dito for SLP. Yun nga lang, delikado yung kanyang movement kasi pag nag-decline si Bitcoin, of course, lalong bababa to. And also guys, if you want to trade SLP and gusto nyo mag-leverage trading dito kay SLP, let's say gusto mo siya i-short or i-long, the best place to trade SLP and any other NFT token is actually in MEXC. So in MEXC, pwede ka dito mag-trade on top of your NFT tokens and other large cap market cap coins. So kung yari meron kang SLP tapos gusto mo siya ilipat sa Ethereum or Bitcoin, pwede dito sa MEXC kasi meron silang iba't ibang coin pairings at iba't ibang NFT tokens na pwede mong laruin at i-trade dito sa crypto market. So if you want to get trading bonuses dito sa MEXC, just use my sign up link na makita nyo dyan sa description down below. So yun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.